Hi, I'm the Jam Chef. Today I'll be preparing a salmon dish while using Ellen tamarind preserve and a bit of jackfruit seed that was toasted. So join me on my culinary journey today. Hope you enjoy. Bon appetit. First I'll be doing the warm quinoa salad for you. I've already pre-cooked quinoa for you. Just about a cup. In that I'll be adding a bit of chopped onions, some scallions. This will give the dish a bit of spice to it. And here's our jackfruit seed, which we're going to put in as well. That was toasted, and dry cranberries. So now all our ingredients is in. I'll be adding a bit of passion fruit dressing that I'm pre-made. I'm just going to fold all the ingredients together. Colors are coming through. You have the brightness of the cranberries, green from the parsley and cilantros and the basil. Now that this is fully tossed, and I'm going to let it sit a little so it can marinate a bit. Now we're going to start our salmon, which are pre-marinated with just some salt and pepper and olive oil. Now I'm going to add our olive oil to our pot. See, we need our pot extremely hot to sear our salmon. First thing, when you're putting down your fish in a hot oil, you need to put your presentation side down first, because once it hits the pot, that's when it's going to get that nice caramelization on top, and that sealing the juices. In our other pot, we're going to add just a touch of butter, some garlic, and a bit of onions. So we're just going to saute this for just about a minute. We have some green beans that are pre-blanched. And from our garden we got these nice cherry tomatoes. Going to add salt and pepper. Salt goes in. Remember, it's always good to season your product. Make sure that it's very tasty. We're going to check on our salmon. So you see, that's what we are looking for. That will seal in the juices and get it to the right temperature that I so desire. Now I'm going to add Ellen's tamarind preserve. Just put it on top. Just add a little bit of scallion to this. This will just give it a little more flavor. Now our vegetables are ready, so we're going to turn the flame off. Dressing that I had from our salad, I'm just going to tip a little to just deglaze our pan. Wow, you could just smell the aroma. So you can see our tamarind preserve is adhering to our salmon. One of the ways when I am testing for doneness in my salmon is to see how firm the meat is. Right now it has a bit of elasticity to it, so you know it's about rare to medium there. So our salmon is fully ready now. And if you look, you can see that nice tamarind glaze is all over the salmon, and this will give it a nice robust flavor. So we're going to plate. I'm going to take a bit of our Ellen's tamarind preserve. Just going to brush it along the plate. Then our warm quinoa salad that we made. Then our salmon. Just going to perch it to the side there. Remember, presentation goes a long way. Then our veggies. You got a bit of height to it. And now you see the colors are really shining on the plate. And here it is, our salmon that was glazed with tamarind preserve, our warm quinoa salad, topped with our cherry tomatoes. Such a lovely dish. Bon appetit.